So hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your dinosaur immortal on this game. And if you want to know the full information about this topic, then you have to watch the video till the end. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end to get the full information. So now let's get into this video. So first guys, you need to open this game on your Chrome browser. So to open this game, you can turn off your internet, and if you don't want to turn off your internet, then you can search Chrome //dino. Just go to new tab. I'm going to show you. Just search over here Chrome, then //dino, and then it will open up the dinosaur game. And after that, just tap the right button on your mouse and then tap on inspect, and then here tap on console, and then here you just need to type a simple line of codes. Type runner dot, you can see runner dot prototype dot game over equal to function. So you just need to choose this first option, just tap on it, and now you can see this simple line. You just need to type this simple line on this console, and then after that hit the enter button. Now done. And now if you close this, and now if you play the game, then you can see, let me show you, you can see over here our dinosaur is immortal now, and this game will never over, and you can gain bunch of his score using this method and show your friends. So that was a very simple video. Make sure to hit that red button. What's up guys, thanks for watching the video, and make sure to hit that red button and also tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos on this channel. And if you guys want to get more information about technology, then you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I'll see you again. Peace.